Walking like the king of the crowd, rocking blue suede shoes, not afraid to be loud. I'm a masterpiece, hey, look at me now. Like a true artiste, I'm gonna paint the town. And I'll do it my way, my style. Gonna wear it like I'm self-titled. Too hot to call it mild. Can I get a vibe? Check. Feeling good, looking good, and we living our best, yup. Can I get a vibe? Check. Knock, knock, wanna guess who's there? It's the embodiment of Renaissance and flair. Walk with the grace of a royal air, like sun in your face. Don't mind the glare. I'm just trying to express myself, not making statements. Now don't y'all get obsessed, but can I get a vibe? I'm magnetic, aesthetic, I'm hard to define. Nah, I can't help it, I'm different, I don't even try. Cause I'm eclectic, electric, ain't boxed in by what you expect. Nah, can I get a vibe? Check. Yes. Feeling good, looking good, and we living our best. Yup. Yup, yup. Can I get a vibe? Check. Dressed to impress, there ain't no special effects. Something's cooking in the kitchen, compliments to the chef. Yeah, dressed to impress, there ain't no special effects. Something's cooking in the kitchen, can I get a vibe?